as I really like to cook. Like, and and I think my tacos, at least for my family, they're just your standard ground beef, and
Sure.
and they eat them up. My son just can't get enough of them. But I want to take my taco game like to the next level here.
For
What
sure.
what can you recommend to me on how to amp it up and make them a little bit more special?
A recipe that I use a lot, and it's crockpot, so it's even easier, is if you Google, it is copycat recipe for Chipotle's barbacoa tacos.
Oh,
It does not taste like barbacoa at Chipotle at all. I don't think it does, but they are delicious and they're spicy, and you can always adjust it because you're putting peppers in there. You can always adjust it. I love it. You put a bunch of stuff in the blender, and then you put all the meat into a crock pot. 6 hours later, you've got a ton of it. So those are my favorite to make. My kids like them.
okay.
I'll even make some homemade tortillas, which I've been working on my tortilla game for a little while. Yeah.
I've considered trying to do that too. I've got this flat top Blackstone grill that
Yep,
I
perfect.
think would work pretty well for that.
Yeah, whatever you do, don't use a like a tortilla press. I try to use a tortilla
Okay.
press. It doesn't press them thin enough, and then you end up having to roll them out. But yeah, that Blackstone would be perfect. Like I'm still using like a skillet. I need to go get a
Yeah.
iron like Oklahoma. I need to get one of those. But yeah, barbacoa tacos. Look them up. Copycat recipe.
Okay.
Or I'll find it. I'll send it. And I love them. My kids love them. I love them. My girlfriend loves them. And it's a lot. I mean, it makes a lot. So
Okay.
yeah, definitely try that. That will be a completely different taco for sure.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Awesome. You gave me a weekend idea here.
Let me know, man. Let me know if you make them. Just let me know how you.
Yeah. Oh, for sure.
Cool.
I think we need to in our description we'll put all of Manuel's contact and books and everything, and right under that we'll put the rest for the tacos. So
Yeah.
Perfect.
Technology.